Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. I don't normally get to see you guys on a Tuesday, so this is a special treat for me. I don't have a whole lot planned for you today. If we were really at school, it would be a half day since it's the second to last day of school. So what I want for you guys to do today is I want you to finish listening to the rhino in right field to see what happens next. We don't have a flip grid this week, but I would love for you to just drop me a line on Teams and let me know your thoughts. What did you think of the ending? Did you predict it? Did something leave you still wondering more? If there was a sequel, which there's not, but if there was a sequel, what would happen next? I'd love to hear those ideas from you. I will be on Teams from 9 to 10:30, so if you want to chat about that, come on to Teams and we can chat about the ending of the story. I also want to give you guys the answer to the Just for Fun from yesterday. So the Just for Fun from yesterday was about the flower with the teeth. So I want to tell you guys, at first I was thinking about maybe like a Venus flytrap or something, and then it talked about the lion. And right away I knew in my mind that it was a dandelion, but I didn't understand necessarily why it was a dandelion. And so it talks about French. Well, in French, to say the tooth of a lion, you would say the dent de lion. D-E-N-T, new word, D-E, and then lion, L-I-O-N. So the dandelion turned into dandelion. Yeah, even Harper's amused by it. So that is where the dandelion got its name. It actually comes from dent, D-E-N-T, which that's not how you pronounce it, but you get the point. D-E-N-T, D-E-L-I-O-N. Cool little fun fact. Check out today's, it's all about golf. So if you're into golf, you may know it. If not, you'll find out the answer tomorrow on the last day of school. Love you guys. Hope you guys have a great day. Mwah.